Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show you how you can network unlock a Google Pixel 7 Pro on either Android 14, 15, in fact from Android 15 below. Yes, so let me quickly insert a SIM card here so that you can see that this Pixel is locked on the network. SIM card not supported. SIM card not supported. If you can read it, ask Spectrum Mobile whether this device can be unlocked. Tap here for contact details. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go ahead and remove the SIM card back, or if there is any SIM inside the phone, make sure you remove. Now let's go to settings. The first thing we are going to do is factory reset the phone. I'll go to system and I'll go to reset options and factory reset. I'll erase all the data. So it's still erasing. Let's wait for it to come on. Then we continue with the next step, which is unlocking the network so that it can take it can recognize the SIM card of any country. So now it's locked on a particular network, which is Spectrum Mobile. Okay, now you just have to don't connect it to the internet. Don't connect it to the internet. Let's keep setup flying. Next, go ahead and click next. Skip. Don't set any password yet. Skip. Okay, now because we are still going to use the internet to do this, but before you connect it to the internet, first go to settings, go to apps and go to all apps. Search for Google Play Services. Search for this app, Google Play Services. Disable the app. You see, disable the app. Now after disabling this app, you'll get many notifications telling you to activate back the app. So what we are going to do is to just put the phone on do not disturb mode. Let me turn off the Bluetooth connection. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and connect the phone to a Wi-Fi network, to the internet. Let me connect it to the internet. Okay, so there is it. Connect. Great, connected. Now let's go ahead and open Chrome. No, open Chrome, continue. Got it. Now go ahead and search for NetPatcher. Search this application, NetPatcher. Good. NetPatch Firewall. Sorry, the name of the application is NetPatch Firewall, as you can rightly see on the screen. NetPatch Firewall APK. Go ahead and download it. let's download the app. Now it's still loading. Okay, download. Just follow the procedures on the website to download the app. Yes, download anyway. Okay, the app is downloading. Let it download, and we are going to continue the process. Now, after downloading the app, let's go ahead and go to File, Files, Allow. Nope. Go to Downloads, NetPatch Firewall. Install the app. Install the app. Open. Go to your menu, NetPatch Firewall. Open the app. Now go to turn on this these settings. Click OK, and now search for NetPatcher here. Let me just search for it. NetPatcher, all apps. NetPatcher. You see, don't select this option, don't optimize, just tick that box and click done, and then go back. Now go to app settings. App settings, search for system apps. Go to system apps, go to search now, and type device or setup. Device setup, device setup, and click off. You see, turn them off all. Search again, SIM, look for SIM. Now let's go ahead and search for the other app, which is SIM Manager. You see, just go ahead and deactivate these functions. Now let's look for another app, which is device lock controller. Device lock controller. Go ahead and do the same thing. Untick. Good. Now we go back to the main menu and go to other settings. Click enable when device starts. Settings, always on VPN. This one is to help is to keep the phone unlocked even when you restart the phone. Now let's go back and enable Google Play services in settings. Apps, see all. Just come here and look for disable apps. Enable. Now let's go ahead and insert the SIM card and see how it works perfectly. You see, let me remove all these other notifications. You see the network. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi connection so that you see how, you see, connected. Orange Cameroon. Let me make a call so that you know it's working perfectly. Let me call. Okay, let me call a number 680-847287. This one is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp contact.
Sorry, you don't have enough balance for this call. Press 1 to borrow airtime. 2 to send a bit call.
So you see, now let me dial a USSD code. You see, it's working perfectly. So guys, please like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.